Ever wonder how technology is revolutionizing healthcare? Or wanted to understand complex medical topics in a simple way? Well, you're in the right place. Here at Health and Tech with Raj, we dive deeper into medical technologies and other medical topics that might be of interest to you. So now, let's learn together.
Hi, today we'll be talking about fetal Dopplers. A fetal Doppler is a handheld medical device used during pregnancy to detect and monitor a baby's heartbeat. It provides reassurance that the fetus is developing normally and that the heart is beating at an appropriate rate. The device works using ultrasound technology. It emits high-frequency waves that travel through the mother's abdomen and reflect off moving structures, such as a fetal heart. When these sound waves bounce back, the Doppler detects changes in frequency caused by motion, known as the Doppler effect. The reflected signals are converted into audible sounds, allowing clinicals and parents to hear the heartbeat. The heart rate is then displayed numerically on the screen. Fetal heart rates are typically faster than adult heart rates, often ranging between 110 and 160 beats per minute. Fetal Dopplers are commonly used during routine prenatal visits, starting in the late first or early second trimester. They help confirm fetal viability and monitor changes over time. Abnormal heart rates may prompt further testing or imaging. While fetal Dopplers are safe when used appropriately, they're designed for intermittent monitoring, not continuous use. Ultrasound energy should always be used responsibly and under medical guidance. Overall, the fetal Doppler provides a simple, non-invasive way to assess fetal well-being and strengthen the connection between expectant parents and their developing baby. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!